In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Hostinger VPS in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner looking to start a new project or an experienced user needing reliable hosting for your website, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First things first, we need to navigate to the Hostinger website. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to hostinger.ph. Hostinger is known for its user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for anyone looking to get started quickly with a virtual private server or VPS. Once you are on the Hostinger homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one before proceeding. Follow the prompts for logging in or setting up your account, ensuring you use a secure password to keep your information safe. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate the VPS option. Click on VPS to proceed to the dedicated section where you can manage your virtual servers. This section is tailored to provide you with all the tools you need to build and manage your applications, host various websites, or even set up gaming servers if that's what you are into. Within the VPS section, you'll see options to build applications, host websites, or even play games with your VPS. Depending on your needs, select the option that suits your project requirements best. Each choice comes with a set of features and configurations that cater specifically to different user needs, ensuring that you only opt for what you truly need. Once you've selected the right project path, whether it's building an application, hosting a site, or using it for games, you can choose between KVM VPS or the Game Panel. The KVM VPS is ideal for general use and offers inherent security features with high performance benefits. On the other hand, the Game Panel is specifically designed for gamers who need optimized settings for hosting game servers. Select the one that aligns with your project. Finally, clicking on either the KVM VPS or the Game Panel will initiate the setup process. Follow through with any additional prompts to finalize your VPS setup. Hostinger's system will guide you through the remaining steps, ensuring each configuration is properly set according to your chosen plan. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've set up a Hostinger VPS, ready to deploy your ideas online. Remember, exploring Hostinger's extensive support resources can also help you maximize your VPS management and configuration as you continue to expand and customize your server capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting.